In a realm where the rhythm of the cosmos and the pulse of the quantum dance, a new harmony arises: Aural Civilization. This revolutionary musical undertaking draws its inspiration from the intricate theories of quantum physics, breathing new life into what we once revered as cosmic sound. Aural Civilization is not just about the music, it's a journey, an exploration, a movement. It's a symphony of powerful, innovative rhythms that transcend beyond the realm of sound, opening a portal to consciousness, fostering an intimate bond with the universe's subtle energies. As we step into a new epoch, Aural Civilization is a beacon for a global audience seeking the sophisticated. A world where music is not merely a passive experience, but an active tool for fostering sustainable development and harmony. Aural Civilization is more than a musical project. It is care, it is a journey, it is digging deeper. It's a sonic revolution shifting the way we perceive and interact with sound. Welcome to a new era of auditory awareness.